Hi there, students. To charter, a verb. A charter, the noun. Well, you probably know this verb to charter from the phrase a charter flight. To charter a vehicle. To rent a vehicle. So a charter flight is an aeroplane that's been rented to go from one place to another. So, for example, you charter a plane to take your passengers on holiday to Turkey, for example. You could charter a boat. Yeah, you could charter a boat for a cruise. And there are charter operators. These are companies that hire boats and or aeroplanes to transport people on holiday, particularly at busy periods. But this is for a special use. This is not part of a regular service. So they chartered a plane to take the delegates to the conference. He's a very rich man, and when he discovered that he needed to go to the Cayman Islands, he chartered a plane to take him there. Okay, now a charter. An organisation. A charter is an official paper, an official document. So, for example, a formal statement of the rights of a country's people. A charter of rights. Okay, this is a document that says what are your rights as a citizen of a country, or a charter for a city. The king or the queen can provide a charter for a city. It gives it the power to do various different things. Okay, so a document issued by the sovereign or by the parliament or an authority creating either a public or a private company, like a city or a college or a bank, and the charter defines the purposes of the organisation and the things that it's allowed to do. So a royal charter could make you exempt from taxes. A charter, a document outlining the principles, functions and organisation of a for example, of a city. A city charter. This says how it's supposed to be done. Okay, so it's like an authorization from a king or from a person in power. A formal document describing the rights, the aims, the principles of an organization. So, Article 50 of the United Nations Charter. A social charter for the rights of workers, and then to charter a plane, to charter a boat, to hire it for your own use. He chartered a jet to fly him from London to Tokyo. They chartered a yacht to take them across the Mediterranean. Okay, so it's either a formal document from the king or from the country that is the rules about a city or a bank or a school or a university, and it specifies the purposes and the rights of that organization. It can be a formal document granting rights, a king granting rights, or to do certain things. The fundamental principles of an organisation, its constitution, and then a charter, to hire or lease an aeroplane or a boat. So charter. Formality. I think a charter flight, I'm going to give a 5 in formality, use anywhere. But a document issued by an authority creating an institution, 6.5 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And then this itself comes from Old French, chartre, from Latin, chartula, from charter, talking about, I think, a document. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Charter.